When it comes to making a home more energy efficient, many homeowners in Slidell, Louisiana, may overlook an essential element: their doors. While windows often steal the spotlight in energy-efficient home improvement discussions, doors play an equally critical role in regulating the interior climate and reducing energy costs. If you're considering upgrading your home, door replacement might be the solution to help you save money while improving comfort. Here's why Slidell residents should prioritize energy-efficient door replacement and what factors they need to consider. Why energy efficiency matters in Slidell. Slidell is known for its warm, humid climate and relatively mild winters. With such weather patterns, homes often rely on air conditioning systems throughout much of the year to stay cool. Inefficient doors can cause significant energy loss, making it more difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. This not only increases utility bills but also places unnecessary strain on HVAC systems, which can shorten their lifespan. By replacing outdated or poorly sealed doors with energy-efficient models, Slidell homeowners can dramatically reduce the amount of air that escapes their homes, resulting in lower energy consumption and cost savings. Energy-efficient doors help maintain the desired temperature inside by providing better insulation, blocking drafts, and preventing hot or cold air from seeping in from the outside. The importance of choosing energy-efficient doors. When selecting a door replacement for your home, it's crucial to understand how energy efficiency is measured and what features contribute to a door's overall performance. Here are some key factors to consider. Insulation. Energy-efficient doors typically feature superior insulation materials that keep heat or cool air inside the home. Look for doors with high R values, which indicate better insulation. This helps prevent your HVAC system from working harder than necessary to maintain your home's temperature. Weather stripping and sealed. Even the most energy-efficient door won't perform as it should without proper seals. Weather stripping and tight seals around the door frame ensure that no air is able to leak through the gaps. These seals are often the first line of defense against drafts, which can significantly impact your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Consider doors with high-quality, durable seals that can withstand Slidell's humid and sometimes stormy weather. Glass and glazing. If you're choosing a door with windows, opt for energy-efficient glass, which typically comes with low emissivity coatings to reduce heat transfer. Double-glazed windows indoors provide an additional layer of insulation, helping to prevent heat loss in the winter and heat gain during the summer. The right glass choice will also reduce the amount of UV radiation entering your home, protecting your furniture and floors from fading. Material choices. The material of the door itself can impact its energy efficiency. Solid core wood, fiberglass, and steel doors with foam core insulation are among the best options for maintaining temperature stability. These materials are better equipped to withstand external weather conditions and provide superior thermal performance compared to hollow core doors or older models. Durability and maintenance. Slidell's climate can be harsh on exterior doors, especially with the humidity and occasional storms. Choosing a durable, weather-resistant door can save you from costly repairs and replacements down the road. Steel and fiberglass doors are particularly known for their durability, as they can resist warping, cracking, or swelling from moisture exposure. The impact of door replacement on your energy bill. Replacing your old, inefficient doors with modern, energy-efficient models can have a tangible impact on your energy bills. By minimizing heat transfer and air leaks, an energy-efficient door can keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter without running your air conditioning or heating system as frequently. While the upfront cost of replacing a door may seem steep, the energy savings over time can more than compensate for the initial investment. With lower energy consumption, you could see reductions in monthly utility costs. Over several years, those savings can easily add up, making energy-efficient door replacement a smart financial decision for Slidell homeowners. The final thought: making an informed choice. When it comes to upgrading your home's energy efficiency, door replacement should not be overlooked. Energy-efficient doors offer many benefits, from lowering your energy bills to improving comfort and enhancing curb appeal. For Slidell residents, choosing doors that are designed to withstand the local climate while providing excellent insulation is essential for maximizing energy efficiency. By considering factors such as material, insulation, weather stripping, and durability, you can make an informed decision that improves your home's performance. Whether you're looking to replace a single entry door or multiple exterior doors, investing in energy-efficient options will benefit your home and your wallet for years to come.